Hello, smart bees. Welcome to Honeybee Quiz, the sweetest place to learn and have fun. Think you're a true foodie? Let's put your taste buds to the test. From the creamy cheeses of France to the spicy flavors of Hungary, this European food quiz will challenge your knowledge of the continent's most iconic dishes. 3 options. Only one is correct. Keep score and share in comments. Choose wisely. Only one is the real delicious deal. Let's begin. Ready to prove you're the ultimate food explorer? Let's dive in. Which country is famous for paella? Italy. What is the main ingredient in Greek tzatziki? Cucumber. Which cheese is traditionally used in an Italian caprese salad? Mozzarella. Which country is known for the dish haggis? Scotland. What is the main ingredient of French ratatouille? Eggplant. Which pasta is shaped like little ears? Orecchiette. Which country is famous for the dessert baklava? Greece. What is the national dish of Hungary? Goulash. Which bread is common in Germany? Pumpernickel. What is the key ingredient in Spanish gazpacho? Tomato. What is a typical Spanish cold soup? Gazpacho. Which alcoholic drink is famously Belgian? Beer. You're now half journey through this delicious journey. How many did you get right so far? Keep going, because the tastiest questions are still coming up. Don't quit now. Your inner foodie is counting on you. Which sauce is used in Eggs Benedict? Hollandaise. Which country is known for pierogi? Poland. Which meat is traditionally used in Greek gyros? Pork. Which European country gave us croissant? France. Which cheese is from the Netherlands? Gouda. What is the Italian word for ice cream? Gelato. Which soup is a famous dish in Russia? Borscht. What is the main ingredient of Italian risotto? Rice. Which country is famous for fondue? Switzerland. What type of pastry is strudel? Both. Which country is known for fish and chips? England. Which Italian dish uses ladyfinger biscuits and coffee? Tiramisu. Which country is famous for moussaka? Greece. Which herb is essential in pesto sauce? Basil. What is the main ingredient of Polish bigo stew? Age. Which dessert is Austrian? Sachertorte. Which meat is used in Spanish jamon iberico? Pork. Which cheese is used in Italian lasagna? Ricotta. That's the end of our European food quiz. Comment your score and your favourite dish below. If you enjoyed, hit like, share and subscribe for more foodie challenges. See you next time.